Hello traders, again welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to take trade with Candlestick Analysis, and if you observe this market after the consolidation it broke that level, so here the next one should be bearish, and today I would like to invest only $25 in each pairs. In all pairs $25. And one more thing to tell that at the end of the video I am giving some 90% or up to 90% accurate trading setup, so please watch the video without skipping and also share with your friends. Here there is a new low, so we can go to the sellers. Oh, there is a gap up open, so now the trade is at risk. Here we can go to the buyers. Here also next one should be bullish, but I need a good entry. Here we can go to the sellers. Oh, there is a late entry because of fast momentum. Actually I want to trade here, place my trade here, no problem. Here also next one should be bearish because of that three dark cloud pattern, and here is the resistance level, a trend level. Okay, strong sellers entry. Here also sellers trying. Okay, good buy and entry, but there is a rejection also. In this kind of situation we can expect a retracement also. There is a gap up. Oh, it's a losing trade, no problem. Here it's a retracement. Here you can go to the sellers. I placed here a put option, and here there is a momentum, so we can go to the buyers. Here also we can go to the sellers. Here also next one should be bearish. Oh, here also late entry because of fast momentum, but the candle should be bearish. But if the market make any weak candle, I may lose this trade also, because there is no lower rejection in the previous candle. That's why I placed here a put option, but I think my entry is very bad here. But the most probability for the next candle should be bearish here, but my entry is a problem. Okay, sellers are entering. Okay, I'll have winning trade, and I placed here a put option because of that previous strong bearish candle in the middle, so it will definitely continue at least to the next reversal. That's why I placed here a put option. Here also there is a momentum, so it's not good to go against that momentum. Here the market is at a reversal and very weak bullish candle. It indicates it's only a retracement of that minor uptrend. That's why I placed here a put option, and I got, still now I placed 7 trades, and one was low, so I need to cover that amount. So I will take one more trade after the closing of this candle. And here we can see, now we can see some rejection, and but there is new low in the market also. Okay, here there is a new low. It's better to go to the seller, so I'm going to place a put option. Oh, again a late entry. Here because of the downtrend it may continue also, so better to avoid. Here also, but there is a level in the left side, so here also better to avoid, but no problem. I only take this trade, and if it's a winning trade I will stop my trade, and if it's a losing trade I will definitely cover my loss. But here the candle should be bearish, but my entry is very bad. There is a top of doji here also, because the previous spinning top is very weak. So, but we can see some sellers are trying. Okay, it was also winning trade. Anyway, I don't take trade more, so please watch the video till the end. Next time I'm going to explain that some 90% accurate trading setup, so let's watch that. Hello traders, welcome back. And today it's our ebook. It's just a sample of our ebook, and today I introduce only 2 pages for the public, which will help you to get some accurate trading setup up to 90%. And also so many people asking me about some short tips. I don't know why these guys are believing your short. Who told you guys that there is a short in the market? I don't know. Maybe that only due to the lack of knowledge. They are asking. No problem. It's common at the beginning. Means few years back, I also the same condition. I also searching for the short. Before the I also search for short, but I find the truth that there is nothing called short in the market. That if someone give you, and someone also in some, I don't remember the name, some mentors, some other teacher offering some short, and I don't know why that go is offering these kind of fake. Again, I'm telling that fake offers to the public, because there is nothing called short in the market. A professional trader, again I am telling that if a person is a good trader, is a profitable trader or a professional trader, don't tell that there is a short in the market, because we cannot tell that short. How we can tell that we may lose our capital because of the delay issues while pricing out trade. Then other one, if there is any news effect, any important news effect, the prediction will go against our trade, then we may lose. And also if any late entry occur, we may lose, and so many reasons we may lose our capital at risk till the closing of the candle. Okay, so there is nothing called short. If someone give you short tips or something like that, it should be fake. 101% it should be fake, and that person should be definitely a scammer. If someone give you short tips or offering short tips, they will ask something, some money to share knowledge, something like that. But for a professional trader, they don't tell like that. And so many traders in our channel, in daily they are messaging and asking, oh brother or sir, there is any short tips. Well, we need to take some trades. There are confirmed trades and accurate trades, I agree that. Okay, but there is any fluctuation. In this case, it's a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, in this and before starting, I have one important thing to tell, that, and 2-3 days before I shared some samples of our ebook when I was preparing that, but that guy is misusing. They are shared this in some other group, and some other group members in our channel forwarded that message to me, that someone, I don't know why these coins are doing this kind of cheap first activities, and also that he also have a YouTube channel, he also providing a course, and that person is misusing our knowledge. And also he offers some social tips. I found that in his channel. I don't know why these kind of go is giving the fake offers. Again, I'm telling that it should be fake offer, because there is nothing called. If you have any trusted person, please ask them that there is anything called short. Okay, and also some others asking me which is the best indicator. Okay, that's the next question. And I have one thing to ask you, my traders, that why we use indicator. The indicators will just indicate the market. The indicators are fixed by the brokers itself. Okay, so they fixed that brokers not to give you the profit, the only to get them or make them to profit. Okay, it will give only fake movements. Sometimes it may work and sometimes it not work. Okay, so the indicators are mostly used by the persons that they don't have trust in their own trades. If you are not confident in your trade, maybe you may use indicators. For a successful trader, for a person who know what is the market and how to trade in the market properly, then there is no need to depend any other materials like indicators, robots, something like that. Okay, there is no need for any additional confirmation. And for my goals and for my traders, in my opinion, the the Japanese candle is the best indicator for trading. Okay, the candle is the indicator. It's my indicator. The live candle, the previous candle formation and how it's behave, and that the behavior of the candle is my indicator that I'm using in my trading at the beginning and presently and future also. I follow that only, and I don't use any indicator. To me, there is no pathetic condition to use any indicator. So no successful trader, if a person he know about the each and everything about the market, then there is no need for using any indicators. So we don't have any short tips, or we don't use indicators also. But I have a request that all the traders, that you need to understand one thing, that you just think about it. If a person offering you a short and you just think that he can be a millionaire within 1 or 2 days, 1 day is enough. If he have short, just go and invest 20,000 is the maximum investing in IQ option, and just invest 20,000 in each trade, and it's very easy to be a millionaire. Okay, and next one is so many people asking me, bro, how can you trade like this? You are good, you are something amazing, something like that. And some others asking me, bro, still now you don't have any VIP account, something like that. I have to tell you one, that I am not trading in a single account or 2 account or 3 account or 4 account, okay, or 10 account. We are trading different account in every day. Okay, I am doing, all the team members, we have 7 team members, and all we are doing account recovery. So we are trading in the lost account of different persons. That's why we don't have any VIP account or diamond account, something like that. Okay. And also one more important thing, that yesterday I made a poll in the Telegram channel, that there's 2 options, that the accurate trading setup, which is accurate more than 90%, and next one is the bad habits of trading. What bad habit that we the activities that we don't use while we are trading. That was the options. And they say, I don't know why this pathetic condition, and only the 50%, 15%, 16% or 15% of traders want to know about the bad habit of trading. Others only need the short tips, which indicate that I'm again telling that it's only the 15% persons are in the right way or right path of the learning. Okay, others are only they are very lazy. That's why they need, firstly they are telling that, oh, we need short, or sorry, there is nothing called short, we need only accurate trading setup. Okay, they need only shortcuts to get money. Okay, but others only want to learn and earn money. Okay, others, the 84% of people need only, they are looking for only shortcut, okay, to make money. That's it. Anyway, I don't explain anything, but you need to, all of you, that 80% people, please, if you want to be a successful trader or a profitable trader till the end, till your ending your life, you just study something. Just practice well, and also first we need to study the negative activities that we don't do in the trading. Okay, only then we can be a successful trader. Otherwise, sometimes we may get some money, the next day it will lose from our pocket. Okay, there is no gain, only you will waste your time. So please must study about the bad habit also. Basically there are two important bad habits, that one that will kill our emotion. The first one is using the martingale. Okay, if you want to be a profitable trader, or if you want to be a successful trader, don't do martingale. No successful trader will use the martingale method or martingale strategy. So please avoid that. If you lose, the martingale is like, if invest $10, if it lose, next trade it may be $15 or $20. If again lose, invest $40 or $50. If again lose, invest $100. And if again lose, it will blast our account. If we have $10,000 also, it will blast our account. That's the problem of martingale. And also next one is scalping. The scalping method. If just think that just place a put option and the market is going with $10 and the market is going up, I mean that present candle is going up, then invest $15 again. If again it go up, just again invest $30 or $50, something like that. If we lose the money, we will lose all of our money in that single trade. So please don't do martingale. If you are confident trade and if any late entry occur, just do one step scalping. I don't suggest, we don't use martingale. If any very late entry occurs, sometimes only sometimes, very rarely we use that scalping method only. We don't use it. We just only a single trade in a candle. That's a good habit, and the scalping is a bad habit. Please don't try to do scalping also. Please must keep mind that don't use the martingale and also don't use the scalping. These two is a bad habit in trading. Okay. Then if you martingale, it will kill our emotion. If you lose at least 2 trades, again your emotion will high and you will take wrong decision at that kind of situation, and your account will be definitely blast if you follow martingale and also scalping. The scalping is work when we have some market that like with long wick and weak body. In that kind of situation, in that kind of market, you can use the scalping method. But I don't suggest anyone. It's a bad habit. I don't use scalping or martingale. Okay, so please try to avoid. But I am telling in which kind of market that we can apply that scalping only. It's not only for education purpose. I don't suggest. I don't use. Please, you don't use. If you use that, it also will kill your emotion if you lose your money. So please don't use the two bad habits in trading. Okay, anyway, I don't tell anything more. We can look at the chart and explanation. Okay, after I will show you the same thing in the live chart. Okay, we can start. It's just the sample of our ebook, and now we are learning about the bearish engulfing pattern, and it indicates that here. I also show you in the live chart with explanation. So just look at here. It's an engulfing. That bearish candle completely engulfs the bullish candle. Okay, in these kind of situation, so many people are telling that, oh, the bearish engulfing will work in the downtrend, and bullish engulfing, I mean this one should work in the uptrend. Okay, actually the fact is, in uptrend the buyers are in very powerful. So in sometimes it may, okay, I need to draw something. Okay, in uptrend the buyers are in power, and here is a this level will act as a support. It's called the key level support. Okay, and sometimes the buyers are in very powerful, it will, I mean, the candle will come, I mean, if the present forming candle will open here, I mean the opening price should be here almost in this area, and it will come down. Okay, it will come down, and we know that it's a support area. Okay, it will reject from this level. If the buyers are in very powerful, it will reject after hitting almost this area, and it will go up directly. Okay, and you can see at that kind of situation a wick here. Okay, it may directly reverse, and here in this kind of situation the candle should be green. Okay, but in the middle or in a range market or in downtrend, if you see, just wait, I need to delete it. Okay, in downtrend or uptrend, here the trend is doesn't matter. In this kind of range market also this will work. After a bullish engulfing, if you are seeing a hammer like this, now it's closed exactly at the key level, so now it will act as support, and in this kind of area it will go up after this retracement. This candle is called the retracement candle. This this bearish candle is the retracement of this. Okay, so after this retracement, this bearish candle retracement, it indicates that the buyers want to enter in the market. That's why it's closed exactly here, but the candle is very weak. Or if you are seeing a candle like this, okay, like this, don't trade. Again it may come down because of this gap. Okay, if it's looking like a perfect hammer, you can trade with call option in this kind of situation. Okay, but if you see any fluctuation, if the next candle, I mean, if the next candle open here, I mean almost this area, it will go up. If the next candle made a gap down open, it may fluctuate, it may go down because of this gap down, because we know that here there are some seller sign. Okay, if it's open here also, it may fluctuate. Okay, so if there is any fluctuation in the opening, the closing price of the previous retracement candle, it is the previous retracement, and the present candle should open here, must open here, then it should go up. Okay, otherwise it may fluctuate. Okay, that's why we are telling that we offer only 90%. Okay, 90% accuracy or 95% accuracy, but we cannot trust. If there is any gap up or gap down occur in this kind of situation, it may fluctuate. So we are telling that there is nothing called sure short. Okay, is any important news effect, it may fluctuate. Okay, that's why there is nothing called sure short. We are telling again and again. So I have request that please asking me for sure short tips. There is nothing called sure short, that's reality. If someone offering you for sure short, something like that, it's only for scamming you, and okay, it's only for scamming you and make them money only. There is nothing like that. Okay, if it opening and closing it same level most of the time, or 90% or up to 90% of the time, it may go up. But in this kind of situation, there is any new low, if the candle may like here this, it also may go down. Okay, so always look for a perfect hammer, then trade. Okay, and here also the same situation. It's a bearish engulfing, and the retracement should be here is a bullish candle, and it made a new low here, and it closed exactly at this key level. and the next one should go down here. If you see in front of this, you are seeing a candle like this. Just think like this, a shooting star candle here. If you see this candle here, you may think that, oh, it's closed exactly at the key level and it will act as a resistance here. And next one, you may think that, okay, next one here should be go down. Don't trade if you are seeing a shooting star type candle after this engulfing. Here most of the time it may go up. So please don't trade. If you see a hammer and there is no support, I mean if a key level it will broke, no, don't worry. If here any strong support level, very strong support level, don't trade. Okay, if there is any long support level, there is a possibility for consolidating here also. And if you are seeing a inverter hammer in this kind of situation, so if the trend is also uptrend, it may go up. Okay, so I am going to explain deeply in the live chart, and we can open and check that. Oh, here it's going up. Okay, I need to find an engulfing pattern to explain that. It's very hard to find. Okay, here we can see, just wait, here it's an engulfing. Okay, here there is an engulfing pattern. Just wait, I need to take a screenshot about it, and I will tell in the paint or something like that. It will be help to get some, it will be help to better understanding. So okay, you can see that. Oh, it's better to zoom the chart. And okay, here now we can take a screenshot. Okay, here is the screenshot, and we can see that I need to draw something. Okay, it's a pencil. Okay, now we can explain this. We can study about the proper understanding about the engulfing pattern. Okay, here is a bearish engulfing. Okay, we can see that here is a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, and here we can see a retracement hammer. Okay, retracement hammer which is closed exactly at this key level and also made a new low here. Okay, you just look at the next candle, that's a bearish candle. Okay, just wait. So it's a bearish engulfing pattern, and it's a retracement pattern. After next one should be bearish. Okay, it's working. It's in consolidation area, in uptrend or downtrend. In trend, it doesn't matter here most of the time. I mean 90% of the time. Again, I am telling that it's not a short, but it's an accurate trading setup. Okay, and it's bearish, and again it's bearish engulfing pattern, and it's a bullish reversal here. It's exactly close at this key level, and next one here it's bearish. Okay, and here there is no much fluctuations here. Okay, that's why we got ITM, or if you take trade here it will be ITM. And when we need to look at another that which not working in the chart, just wait. I mean, after I want to do some fluctuations pattern also. Okay, here we need to find it. Okay, it was that pattern, and okay, here it's also bearish engulfing, but it's don't work here. Okay, just wait, I need to take the screenshot. Okay, if we observe here, here also we can see a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, but after this we saw a retracement of that bullish candle. Okay, the bullish candle exactly closed at the key level. There is no gap here. So most of the time next one should be bearish here in this kind of situation. But if we observe here properly, here the next candle open here, there is a big gap. I mean, there is a gap up open. The candle open here. I mean, the opening price of the candle is here, almost this area. Okay, there should be must a support level here. That's why the candle it's no red here in this situation. But if the candle opening place should be here, if the candle's opening place should be here, next one here should be bearish. Okay, that's why here we don't find any red candle because of this gap up open of this present candle. Okay, that's why we are telling again that there is nothing called show short, or there are accurate trading setup, agree, but the logic is not working here because of this fluctuation. This gap up open is not working here. That's why there is a green candle here. Okay, that's okay, I expect that you got some point, and if you don't understand, watch again the video, and again I am explaining that it's a bullish candle and this red candle engulfed this bullish candle. It's an engulfing pattern, it's a bearish engulfing, but after that it's a retracement candle and it's closed exactly at this key level. But here most of the time next one should be bearish, but there is one more thing to consider in this kind of situation, that you must see the opening point of this candle. Okay, you must see the opening point of this green candle. Here it don't work because of this gap up open. Okay, if the candle open here, sorry, the closing point of the previous bullish candle, I mean in this area, next one should be bearish. Okay, it's open here, that's why now we are seeing a bullish candle. Okay, anyway, if we need more videos about our ebook, and we have some more work to complete our ebook. It's not complete, it's near to 50 pages of 90% accurate. If anyone have doubts or any you just check these pattern or these trading setup, all the candle in each and every place. You will be in ITM most of the time. If anyone have doubts, please go and check it. Okay, if there is any fluctuation in the opening and closing point. It may go against our prediction too. Okay, if you see any much fluctuation, don't take trade, don't trade. Okay, anyway, that's all. And also sometimes we may get a spinning top candle as retracement too. Okay, a spinning top as retracement too. So if you are seeing a spinning top, it's better to avoid. Okay, you can trust like hammer is good when compared to the spinning top. Spinning top sometimes it may make another retracement candle. Okay, so the hammer is good here in this setup for retracement. So if you see a spinning top, it's better to avoid. That's my opinion. So anyway, that's all. I expect that you got some point. It's very simple trading setup. Just look at this only. If there is any key level in here, and look at the closing point. If the candle opened almost this area, then place put. Must observe if there is any hammer. Okay, and if it is an inverter hammer, don't take trade here. Okay. And also the same case of the bullish engulfing also, the retracement here should be a hammer which just look like this, better to avoid. And if there is any new low in the market, better to avoid. And that's all. I would say just mind this pattern in your mind. Keep the pattern in your mind. Be bullish engulfing, retracement hammer, place call. And bearish engulfing, just wait. Bearish engulfing, retracement hammer, then place put. Okay, that's it. Anyway, I hope all you got this point. And this 40 this all ebook deal with near to 50 pages. All will deal with 90% above accuracy trading setup. And I will share one or two samples in the next videos as possible. Anyway, if you have any doubts, please go and comment below. And if must keep one thing, that there is any fluctuation, please try to avoid these kind of situations. It's better to avoid. And okay, I'm going to close this section. If you have any doubts, you can message. There is no problem for clearing your doubt. And also please stop asking me for the trading show short, something like that. And there is nothing called if a person, again I am telling that if we cannot give you any show tips. There are accurate trading setup, we agree that, but no successful trader tells that there is show short. It only we only saw that like a scamming method. We cannot give any fake offers to the public. Okay, anyway, I don't take trade. Sorry, I already trade. And anyway, I don't talk more. And I'm going to stop this video. Please share this video to your friends. And also, if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. And also all of you, wish you good profit. Thanks you.